howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar, Christmas Eve, Day 11. 1 day left. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas Eve. Probably my favorite day of the year. Absolutely. And we'll get into that. First, let's get into Day 11. See what Cowboy Santa brought us today. And also the wonderful, wonderful elves at PAA. Ooh, I'm already liking the label, what little bit I saw. Oh. Okay. Wow, I like that label. Oh. Will it? Will it? Christmas Eve, Day 11. I present to you Frost Chapel. I'm seeing some icy trees there. Is this going to be my Christmas Eve wish? Here's the splash. And the ingredient: denatured alcohol, rose hydrosol, essential and fragrance oil, glycerin, aloe, benzoin, resin, flakes of fresh frost. How happy is this one going to make me? Oh, I just saw another ingredient that, oh man, I think this might have been just made specifically for me. Let's take a look. Scent profile, Frost Chapel. Scent profile, eucalyptus, mint, powder, amaretto, spruce, moss, evergreen, tonka, balsam, cedar, amber, rum, musk, oud. Oud. You know how I feel. This is my Christmas gift, I think. Man, that sounds incredible. I'll tell you what, before I go further on that, I'm going to put some of this on the back of my hand. Well, let's go ahead and sniff the tub too. Oh. I am excited on this one. Oh, jeez, that's so good. I might have to stop and not open day 12. Oh, that is glorious. Winter itself builds the walls here. Spruce boughs arch into vaulted ceilings, ice-laced moss hangs like stained glass, and a hush descends that rivals any cathedral choir. Some pilgrims walk into churches, others walk into forests. Some do both. Frost Chapel is proof the two are the same place. They say silence is louder in the snow. Every crunch... I kind of told my story about how I feel about the quiet of a fresh snowfall. They say silence is louder in the snow. Every crunch of boot, every plume of breath feels magnified beneath the frozen nave of the woods. Step into Frost Chapel, light your candle of cedar and oud, and let the incense of winter do the rest. Oh man, this one is already singing to me. There you go, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I'm going to get the lather and the gear together, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Have a glorious lather whipped up with the Star Wisp from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. One of my favorite. Of course, I say that about all of them, but this one was my number one brush for a long time till the Moonstriker came in, as far as PAA brushes are concerned. For the razor, I am using the Quantum. Geez, I could not remember the name for the life of me. The Quantum razor from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. It's a nice mixed metal, stainless, copper, and then a brass flare tip on there. And we're going to do a head shave today. So let's get the glasses off and let's get the head wet. Man, it smells so good. Let's go over these scent notes one more time for you guys. Eucalyptus, mint, powder, amaretto, spruce, moss, evergreen, tonka, balsam, cedar, amber, rum, musk, and oud, and a partridge in a pear tree. Best Christmas Eve ever. All right. Oh, it smells so good. Beautiful, perfect lather. Amazing smell. Oh, geez, this fragrance. Oh, I can't get enough. Sorry. All right. I'm wishing I was doing a face shave today so it could be like right under my nose right now. But I am, geez, I'm going to be using this one again for sure. All right. So you probably thought, knowing me, and I was hoping that when I saw the label and I read the name and the ingredients, I was hoping to see menthol in there. Frost Chapel and seeing the icy trees. I thought, oh, are we getting a new mentholated soap? Please, please, please. But you know what? Who cares? This thing is glorious. Now, is it taking the place of my favorite day 9? I don't know. They are neck and neck already, but we'll see maybe after the shave. I guess I'll have to do another ranking video like I did last year. After it's all said and done, I had some time to think about them all. Maybe even use them again, or at least some of the ones I want to revisit immediately. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, okay. I'm really considering moving this one to number 1. And of course, we still have tomorrow's. So who knows? Who knows? But, man, this one is fantastic. So it's Christmas Eve. I'm sure most of you, if not all of you, are going to be with your families today, or friends, or parties, or you're going to be home cooking, preparing for the feast tomorrow. Or do you have your feast on Christmas Eve? Maybe you're still preparing now. Maybe you're making those special pies and desserts, or deviled eggs. Don't forget the deviled eggs. Who knows? But whatever it is, whatever your tradition, new or old, I wish you the most joyous time in this beautiful, wonderful, festive season. You know, Christmas Eve. I say this one's the most special day of the holiday season because this is the one day, this is the one time that no matter what your age is, you still feel like you're 5. And that's what this Advent calendar does, this vintage tradition that PAA has brought to life in the shaving community. It's that anticipation, that wonderment, that you get this box and you can't open it yet because you got to wait. Do not open till December 25th, right? Well, that's the last door. But each of those doors is a little gift you've been anticipating for a few weeks now, sometimes even a month, depending on how early they get it out to you. You know, so it brings back all those old feelings of when you were a kid, lying awake at night before bed, before falling asleep when you go to bed, and wondering, what is Santa going to bring me? That feeling that you thought as you grew up you'll never have again, when those mysteries and the what's the word I'm looking for? The magic is taken away. You wonder if you'll ever have those feelings again. And here's the funny thing, you never really feel cheated when you find out. And I'm not going to make any spoilers for any children that may be watching. But you never have any hard feelings when you find out. You just kind of let down. But then the funny thing is, every year, there's always something. There's always a trigger, small or big, that brings you back to that wondering, wonderful, magical feeling again each year. And for me, it always happens on Christmas Eve. If I can't get into the spirit of the season leading up to it, which I usually can, something about Christmas Eve, even if I have to work, something about Christmas Eve that I automatically, from the moment I get up, am filled with the Christmas spirit. That's why for me, Christmas Eve is the most magical and wonderful day of the holiday. It's the day that everything's leading up to, not Christmas morning. Christmas morning is the finality for me. Christmas Eve is the reason for the season. Well, we all know the true reason for the season, but what I mean is family, friends, the spirit, all the decorations and everything you've been preparing for since Thanksgiving. To me, it culminates on December 24th. December 25th is the time to reflect and smile and store away those memories of the year on that day, and just reflect on them with quiet contemplation and happiness, you know. To me, the 25th is like the most relaxing day. Unless you got little kids and you're armed with a case of batteries and a screwdriver. But even that's fun. Oh, geez, this fragrance is going perfect with my magical feeling today for Christmas Eve. I couldn't have asked for a better scent for today. In fact, I'm probably going to carry this splash bottle around and just keep reapplying it today. Got a little bit of extra cleanup back here. There we go. All right. Let me know if I'm just rambling or if you have similar feelings about Christmas Eve. While you're doing that, I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Beautiful. Oh, man, it smells so good. Okay. Oh, beautiful woody dry down. Wow. Oh, that is so good. All right. I'll stop. Let's get the splash on. All right. Oh, my nose is running. It's a little chilly here. Wonderful. Oh, that's it. Oh, definitely getting that eucalyptus and mint now. It's nice. It's really subtle. It's light, but it goes beautiful. I wasn't quite getting in the soap, but I'm definitely getting in the splash. But it's very, like I said, subtle. It's soft. Oh man, that is so good. Same with the pine. It's there. It's noticeable. It's a little stronger, but it's subtle too. But what comes alive for me are that amber and the rum and the musk and oud is a beautiful combination there. Man, that is so good. Oh, let me know how you feel, if you feel as strongly as I do about day 11. Man, I kind of hope, I don't know which one, whether it's day 9 or day 11, I'm hoping one of those are the first ones to drop, just like Blue Moon Bay Rum came out almost immediately at the beginning of the year. But we still have tomorrow. We still have Christmas Day. So that could change everything. Never know. I hope everyone is having a magical, beautiful, love-filled, joy-filled Christmas Eve. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Find your peace in what and where you can. Have a Merry Christmas. And we'll see you next time on A Texan Shares. Goodbye.